In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp and Clockify. To start, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace where you actually manage your projects and tasks, because the integration will apply to that specific space. Once you're on your main ClickUp dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical column with different options like Home, Tasks, and Other views. In that left-hand column, look toward the bottom for an option labeled More. This is where ClickUp keeps additional tools and settings that don't always appear by default. Go ahead and click on More. When that menu expands, you'll see several extra options become available. From this expanded list, find and click on Apps. The Apps section is where you can connect ClickUp with external services and tools, including time tracking apps like Clockify. Clicking on Apps will open a page or panel showing the available integrations you can add to your workspace. On the Apps page, scroll through the list until you find Clockify. The apps are usually listed alphabetically or grouped, so just take a moment to locate Clockify in that list. Once you see it, click on Clockify. This will open a detailed view of the Clockify integration, explaining what it does and how it works inside ClickUp. Here, you'll see an option to install the integration. Click on Install. This tells ClickUp that you want to connect it with your Clockify account. In many cases, this will open a new tab or redirect you to the Clockify site so you can complete the connection. On the Clockify page that opens, look for the Login button and click on it. If you already have a Clockify account, you'll use this to sign in and authorize the integration. If you don't, you can create one from here before continuing. Next, you'll see the login form. Click into the email field and type in the email address associated with your Clockify account. Once your email is entered correctly, click on Continue with Email to proceed. If you prefer, instead of using the email option, you can log in using one of the available single sign-on choices, such as Google, Microsoft, or Apple. Choose whichever login method you normally use with Clockify. After you've successfully logged in, Clockify will connect to ClickUp, and your integration will be ready to use for tracking time directly.